Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Mini One 2003. I'm going to show you what happened to the indicator and main beam. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get my new videos. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, I'll mention my donation link. If you can think about that one also, be handy, because at the moment I'm running with less facilities. I would like to go latest equipment. If you can help me, then I can give you more wonderful videos. Let's go inside the car. I'll show you what happened there. I'm going to ignition on and indicate right side. You can see indicator with the headlight. When I do the left side, you can see only indicator. That's why the problem. I'll show you inside the car now. I'm going to on left indicator. All fine. When I indicate right side, you can see indicate light with main beam. That's why the problem. I'm going to say at the moment this stick faulty, this unit faulty. I'm going to show you how to change. Right, first step, there is underneath two Torx there, Torx screw here, this side and that side. I need to remove that too. After that, you need to use like this plastic trimming tool and open here. See? I'm going to leave it as it is. After that, I need to lift up this cover and leave it out of way. Now we have access to the indicator unit. This is the new indicator, came with the BMW. This is the part number. If you need original one, I'm always happy to go with original parts because less problem. If you won't follow these numbers and find out used part, totally up to you. This is the new unit. After that, I need to remove this Phillips screw, remove that unit. After that, little bit lower this cover and pull. See, it's out now. After that, we need to disconnect this tab here. Press this tab and pull. See, it's out now. Then after that, I'm going to install new one. Right, it's in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to ignition on and have a look how it's going to be work. Now ignition on and put it right side. See, it's working fine. No any main light. Left, all working fine. No any main light. I'm going to show you from outside. Right, I'm going to do right side indicator. You can see as it is, no main light. That's a problem earlier. And again left, yeah, all going fine. Then I'm going to reinstall the unit. Right, there is a two grooves. First here and the another one bottom here. You can see this top one lined up to the top groove, and this bottom one need to line up the bottom and push, it will go in nicely. For that I need to install this tiny screw. Just do the hand tight. Then after that I'm going to install this cover, and once you install this cover, this one need to slide through the grooves. Just slide like this. See, it's in. After that we need to reinstall this bottom cover. Before you install this cover, you need to install this plastic cover for the key unit. Like this, right? After that we need to line up with the top section. Right, you can see lined up nicely. I'm going to line up other side. Yeah, nice and in. After that I need to install this Torx screw, one for this side, other side already halfway in. I'm going to reinstall. Right, that side nice and tight. I'm going to do this side now. Bit difficult to line up this screw. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do here and give the magnet here, leave it magnet, and like this you can see it's nice and steady. Small tips for the if you struggle to install this screw, that's why you need to do. Right, just do the hand tight, all fine. After that lift up the steering and make a lock. Right, now I'm going to do the final check. Ignition on, right side, left side fine. Then I'm going to do the side light. Have a look, Mali. Then same time I'm going to check other light working. Side light working, main light working, all lights working. Right, done. You know now how to diagnostic the problem, how to sort out. Hopefully you can get new thing from me. It's very easy. Don't go to scared to the job. If you have a right tool, don't go into panic. Follow this video, you ending with another successful job. Thanks for watching. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get my new videos. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't going to forget about donation link. Really appreciate. Thank you. See you with another video.
Thanks for watching.